Meet Reynolds Kitchens Air Fryer Liners, your new kitchen clean-up hero. Pre-cut to 9 inches, fits both square and round air fryer baskets. Unbleached parchment paper means eco-friendly and non-stick cooking. Lift your food out easily. No more scraping or scrubbing. Perfect for all your favorites: steak, chicken, veggies, even desserts. Optimal airflow with liner holes ensures even cooking every time. Just preheat your air fryer, place the liner, and cook away. Home compostable liners make cleanup a breeze and eco-friendly. Say goodbye to messy air fryer baskets and hello to easy cleanup. Reynolds Kitchens Air Fryer Liners, convenience, efficiency, and eco-conscious cooking. Find the product link in the description.